Hi everyone, this is Michelle, and I will be giving an overview of how to combat Algebra 2 in my class. As a teacher who studied the rigorous IB diploma program in an American international school, our ultimate goal is to help you achieve the best results in your AP, IB, and school exams. In this Algebra 2 course, we will be covering over 12 topics, inclusive of functions, matrices, polynomials, radicals, logarithm, exponents, parabola, polynomials, probability, trigonometry, as well as statistics and many more. Moreover, our lesson will be goal-oriented by helping you to achieve the highest GPA. To achieve this, we will focus on intricate applications, long word problems that most Korean students face difficulty in, as well as your weakest section. So first, let's take a look at some example question. This is the first key concept, quotient identities, reciprocal identities, Pythagorean identities. Applying this key concept, let's take a look at this question. Find cosine theta if sine theta equals minus 3 over 5 and theta should be in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Using the first trigonometric identity, cosine square theta plus sine square equals 1, we are able to subtract sine square from each side, substitute 3 over 5 for sine theta, square 3 over 5, subtract that, take the square root of each side, and therefore we can conclude that cosine theta, which is in the second quadrant, should be minus 4 over 5. The second question asks us to find cosecant theta if cotangent theta is equals to minus 1 over 4 and theta should be in between 270 degrees and 360 degrees. So simply, we have to use another trigonometric identity and substitute minus 1 over 4 for cotangent theta. After squaring minus 1 over 4, we have to add, take the square root of each side. And since theta is in the fourth quadrant, cosecant theta is negative, and therefore the answer would be minus root 17 over 4. Next, let's take another example question. This is a key concept. Normal distributions have these properties. The graph is maximized at the mean, median, and mode are about equal. Applying this, let's take a look at this question. The reaction times for a hand-eye coordination test administered to 1,800 teenagers are normally distributed with a mean of 0.35 second and a standard deviation of 0.05 second. About how many teens had reaction times between 0.25 and 0.45 second? So this is a solution. We have to draw a normal curve. Label the mean and the mean plus or minus multiples of the standard deviation. The values 0.25 and 0.45 are two standard deviations below and above the mean, respectively. Therefore, about 95% of the data are between 0.25 and 0.45. From here, we simply have to multiply that by 1800 and we are able to get that 1,710 of the teenagers had reaction times between 0.25 and 0.45 second. To conclude, our process is very easy. Through the course content, you will gain knowledge and we will focus on your individual area of weaknesses to finally result in your highest achievement. Thank you for listening and find Michelle. I'll see you guys in class.